Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norris and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is assemblage is option A technique for casting where was is craved then heated after a mold is made then heated so that wax melts leaving in a impressions. Option B an additive processes where artists contract work by putting together objects and attaches them in some way. Option C a summation process in which the artist models an image in a soft medium such as way and the replaces it in the something more durable such as buoyancy. Option D the use of tools the ships away a bears in the order to. The correct outside of the question is the correct option is option B an additive process where artists contract work putting together objective and attach them in the some way. In art, assemblage refers to a creative techniques in which artists construct a work of art by assembling and attaching various objects, materials, or the elements to create unfilled pieces. The process involves ending components together to the form of the competitions. So that the answer of the question, if you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.